Now, if I'm not mistaken, I've finished making myself a camper van. And I'll be honest, it's been a lot of hard work, about 6 months of my life to be precise, but I think my vision has come to reality. I've got solar, I've got lithium, it's off-grid, it's off-road, it's got no holes in it anymore, there's a lack of rusty wheel arches, I've got my beautiful graphics, and inside it basically puts my houseboat to shame. I've got a luxury apartment, full-size shower, full-size double bed, double gas hob, sink, fridge. There's only one way to test it all out though, isn't there? And that is a road trip to the south coast. Now, everything else about this camper van is super high tech and automated. However, I've got a manual old awning. But fear not, my mate Ash has made me a drill powered handle. Hook that on there, stick it in reverse. Tell you what, that actually makes a really big difference. It even shelters you from the wind. And I love the fact it's drill operated. I tell you what, there were times during this project when I didn't think I'd get to this stage. It almost had the better of me, and I think there were just so many different challenges. However, through some grit, determination, help from friends, encouragement from lots of people, I've got there. And I now have my little home on wheels, which allows me to go anywhere, to go adventuring, paddle boarding, and enjoy waking up to views like that. It's all been worth it. I think I can confidently say that every little idea that I had has been included. And everything works. The full-size shower seemed like a ridiculous concept, but it's here, it looks beautiful, and it functions well. Even this pull-out table, this was a last-minute thought. It's fantastic. And the full-size double bed. That is just the perfect space to lounge with a drink and overlook the ocean, or eat 3 apples. And I urge everyone at home to actually give it a go. Buy yourself an old van and try and convert it. Don't buy one off the shelf, that's boring, and they're very beige. This enables you to create your own little personal space. And actually, while I think about it, you can be more creative in a camper van. Because in your home, you're constantly thinking about resale value, keep it magnolia, play it safe. In a camper van, you can just absolutely make it your own. And I think that's what I've done.